G'day, it's Gary here for Profile Racing. Just here to introduce you to the new Profile AC-2 Hubs. They've only just been released worldwide. We're fortunate enough to have a set here, and we've got a lot more coming into Australia in the next week. The main difference with these is they're a angled contact dual bearing, 20mm bearing, that sits inside the machined hub and just is held into place with a simple wave washer. One of the main features of this is the fact that it comes standard with a 6-pawl driver, which you can run at 96 points of engagement, or if you opt to take 3 of the pawls out and springs, you can run it at a 48-point engagement. What that means is you have a little bit less resistance on the driver, again for optimum smoothness and speed at racing. So what we'll do is we'll show you in a little bit more detail the workings of the hub. Okay, as explained, there's 2 dual contact bearings. These sit simply inside the hub without any pressing or hammers needed. The driver then slides straight in. This one's set up for a 48 points of engagement. The axle slides straight in. There's actually steps on the ratchet rings inside the hub. That means that the teeth will just lock straight into place and drop into the cassette mechanism. We then turn around, we've got a wave washer, a preload wave washer, and that's what preloads the tension on the bearings, a flat spacer washer, and then a split pin. And the split ring is what holds everything into place. So the hub is pulled apart and assembled with the use of a split ring plier. That simply places the split ring into position there. Use a press tool if you wish. You don't need to, but it just is a little bit easier. Here it click into place. Press the outer cone on, and that's it. The hub has been rebuilt in a matter of minutes. We actually ran a competition recently, and the best time we had to pull apart or to reassemble 2 hubs was 29 seconds, I believe. So that's how quick you can actually do it when you're on a mission. Okay, so the dual angular contact bearings just sit flush in both sides of the hub. The driver itself, which we've set up as 48 points of engagement, then goes into the hub itself. You can see there's a few small steps in the ratchet ring there, and what that does, it locates the pawls straight into the cassette mechanism, so that just drops into place instead of having to use fishing line or get frustrated. Next goes on the preload bearing, preload spring washer. So the wave washer is what holds the tension on the bearings. There's a flat washer just to space that. A split ring goes on over the axle, and that is basically what holds everything into place. So that'll click into place as it has there, and then the cone just goes straight on. So that's all that is required to rebuild the hub, as you can see. So it can be done quite quick. Okay, the AC-2 hubs in the Bmx configuration are available in 28 or 36 hole. They're also available in a disc or non-disc option, as well as the standard 7 colours of Profile Racing. So the bolt options for the front is 15 or 20mm and 10mm option, all interchangeable, and the rear is the same, 15, 20 or 10mm configuration. There is also aftermarket disc mounts available to suit 10 or 15mm that'll suit majority of frames. For more information and more options, just check out profileracing.com. Cheers for now.